1, 2, 1, 2. Let's sing and tap our shoes.
Yeah. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4,
Open the door.
5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10,
Do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, open the door.
5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10, a big fat hen.
Wow, look at these roses.
This reminds me of a fun song and game. Have you ever played Ring Around the Rosie?
Yeah. Can I play? Sure. Come on.
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Skipping and a singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Skipping and a singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Now you sing it.
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Skipping and a singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Skipping and a singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Teddy bear, teddy bear.
Hey, Teddy, are you ready?
I am one ready Teddy. Everybody clap, clap, clap along.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, jump up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, bend down low. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, turn off the light.
Everybody say shh.
Teddy bear, say good night.
Wow, gardening sure is a lot of work.
But it's easier when I have friends like you to help me. Thanks, Jack.
You're welcome, Mary. But you sure have been growing a lot of fruits and vegetables lately.
I have been planning for the garden party tonight. I need 10 of everything.
Wait, 10? That is a lot.
Not just 10 either. 10 tomatoes, 10 peppers, 10 strawberries, 10 carrots,
Whoa,
10
whoa, whoa, whoa,
blueberries.
yikes! Slow down. How are we gonna count that high? What if we skip a number? What if we lose track?
Don't worry. We have a tool that's perfect for counting.
We do?
Of course, our fingers.
Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. 1 to 10 and 10 to 1 and do it all again. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10.
Let's do this.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, there's more. 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10.
This is easy.
Counting,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. 1 to 10 and 10 to 1 and do it all again. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting 1 to 10. Counting 1 to 10.
Wow, that was fun. But I still have these strawberries left. Can we count these too?
Sure, but this time let's eat while we count. All that singing made me hungry.
Me too.
Do you have a garden? Growing your own food is super fun and delicious. All you need is some dirt, water, and some seeds.
And your fingers
Your fingers.
to count all the yummy foods you grow.
Oh, bye. Have fun playing in your garden. Baba, do you have any 6s?
Yes.
Eep, you win.
I win? I win!
See, I told you sleepovers were fun.
Is this your first ever sleepover?
Yeah, I guess so.
You're going to love it. Sleepovers at Mary's house are the best.
Okay, I've got extra pillows. Oh, perfect. I'm so sleepy. Well, it looks like it's time for bed.
Okay, so it's a little tight, but can you believe all 6 of us fit? Actually, why is it that little Mary has such a big bed?
I guess I'll grow into it, right? Sweet dreams, everybody. I don't think I'm sleepy yet. Anyone want to play one more game?
Oh, it's okay, Eep. I know it can be kind of hard to go to sleep when you're not in your own bed.
I guess it is kind of different.
Maybe a bedtime song would help.
Ooh, do you know the one about 6 kids all in one bed?
There were 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, good night, good night, good night.
Now that's fast asleep.
He looks so peaceful.
So, where do we sleep now? I don't want to wake him up.
Mary, do you have any sleeping bags? Of course. I know it can be hard to sleep when you're not in your own bedroom.
But it's nothing a good song won't fix.
Or a good story. Or good friends.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sleep tight.
A little cinnamon.
A little bit of nutmeg. You're the best cooks ever!
I can't wait to see your pie.
It's almost ready. And for the final ingredient.
Oh no! It looks like we're all out of water.
But my pie! There's a water fountain at the top of that hill.
Let's go! Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. As fast as he could caper, and went to bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper. Jill came in and she did grin to see Jack's paper plaster. She jumped for joy to see the boy all healed from his disaster. Jill and Jack, they made a pact to fix that road the next day. They had the will to tame that hill and make a safer pathway. With stones and sticks and mud and bricks, they built with careful timing steps to guide them up the side, the hill that they were climbing. Jack and Jill, they worked until they put the final block on, and there stood high a staircase wide, enough for all to walk on. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. The steps were good and so they could live happily ever after. They fixed that hill so Jack and Jill lived happily ever after. They fixed that hill so Jack and Jill lived happily ever after. At last, water!
I have a feeling this pie is gonna be perfect. Here we go.
I hope so. Let's see it.
Yes, we did it! Now, would anybody like some pie? Oh, hey! Welcome to the Bay. Do you like to explore? Do you like to go on adventures? Awesome! This just so happens to be a very special spot. Would you like to explore it with me? Cool! Look! Did you see that? You should know we might run into some animals. And those animals might be doing some pretty silly stuff. So quick! Be a bold, brave explorer with me. Come on! Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a goose kissing a moose? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a whale with a polka dot tail? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home. I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a fly wearing a tie down by the bay? Down by the bay. Down by the bay. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a bear combing his hair? Down by the bay. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see llamas eating their pajamas? Down by the bay. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a snake baking a cake? Did you ever see a frog walking his dog? Did you ever see a mouse painting his house? Down by the bay. Down by the bay. Down by the bay. Wow, you're a great adventurer. Thanks for exploring the bay with me. Well, I've got to get going home. I can't wait to tell my mom all about the incredible animals we saw. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Did you ever see a guy saying goodbye down by the bay? See you next time.
Oh, hi. I'm going to a picnic. My friend Bo Peep made some super yummy blackberry jelly. I'm bringing the peanut butter. We're going to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Would you like to come with me? Awesome! Come on, let's go. We're almost there. Bo Peep should be right over the bridge. Uh-oh.
Eve, what happened to the bridge?
It looks like it fell down.
But what about our picnic? My tummy is grumbling.
I guess we could just eat our own food.
But I need peanut butter.
And I need jelly.
It looks like the bridge was made of wood. Maybe we can fix it.
Okay. But what do we fix it with?
Anything. Let's look around and see what we can find. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. How shall we build it up again, up again, up again? How shall we build it up again, my fair lady? Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady.
What should we build it up with?
I'm not sure. What would you build a bridge with?
I've got one. Build it up with bricks and mortar, bricks and mortar, bricks and mortar. Build it up with bricks and mortar, my fair lady. Bricks and mortar will not stay, will not stay, will not stay. Bricks and mortar will not stay, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady. Sticks and stones will bend and break, bend and break, bend and break. Sticks and stones will bend and break, my fair lady.
I'm really stumped. How would you build a bridge?
Great idea!
Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. with silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold. Filled it up with silver and gold, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
We did it! Now, let's eat. Peanut butter and blackberry jelly. You know, we make a pretty good bridge building team.
And a good sandwich building team.
Who knew teamwork was so delicious? We did!
Hi, Super Jack here. Did you know you have a superpower? We all do. It's called the power of imagination. And that just means using your brain to think about something that's not really there. If you've ever played pretend, you've used your imagination. It's super fun. Will you imagine with me? Awesome. Let's think of an animal. How about a dog? Whoa! Now, let's really use our imaginations. What if the dog was blue? Awesome! With red polka dots. What? And wings. Bye, doggy. Would you like to have more fun with your imagination? Awesome! Let's sing a song and imagine more animals doing the silliest things we can think of.
Foo-ba, foo-ba.
Saw a snail chase a whale.
Foo-ba, woo-ba.
Saw a snail chase a whale.
Foo-ba, John.
Saw a snail chase a whale all around the water pail. Hey John, oh John, foo-ba, John.
Foo-ba, woo-ba. Foo-ba, woo-ba.
Saw a frog chase a dog.
Foo-ba, woo-ba.
Saw a frog chase a dog.
Foo-ba, John.
Saw a frog chase a dog sitting on a hollow log. Hey John, oh John, foo-ba, John.
Foo-ba, woo-ba. Foo-ba, woo-ba.
Saw a flea kick a tree.
Foo-ba, woo-ba.
Saw a flea kick a tree.
Foo-ba, John.
Saw a flea kick a tree in the middle of the sea. Hey John, oh John, foo-ba, John.
That was fun! What other funny animals can you imagine?
Foo-ba, woo-ba.
Heard a cow say meow.
Foo-ba, woo-ba.
Heard a cow say meow.
Foo-ba, John.
Heard a cow say meow. Then I heard it say bow wow. Hey John, oh John, foo-ba, John. Hey John, oh John, foo-ba, John. Foo-ba, John.
Wow! You have a great imagination. Thanks for sharing it with me. Before I go, could you help me imagine one more thing? Cool! Thanks! Alright, help me imagine that I am a cartoon character! Whoa! Well, I guess we're out of here. Keep imagining. Bye!
Okay, it's ready. Check it out.
All right. The moon! And look at all those stars! Amazing. I can look at the sky all night long.
Ooh, did you know? Long ago, people looked up at the stars and imagined pictures in the sky.
Pictures in the stars? like a game of connect the dots.
Exactly.
Look, can you see that?
It looks like a cow.
Jumping over the moon. And that reminds me of one of my favorite songs. Come on.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey doodle doodle, the cat ate, and noodle the cow danced with the baboon. The little dog baked a birthday cake, and the dish sang a song with the spoon. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey daddle daddle, the cat's in the saddle, the cow sailed on a balloon. The little dog played the xylophone, and the dish jumped a broom with the spoon. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon.
Wow, there's a lot happening up in the sky.
There sure is. The next time you look up at the sky, what will you see?
Can you imagine animals? What are they doing?
Ooh, I know. Look, they're saying goodbye.
That's our cue.
Bye.
See you next time.
Keep looking up.
Oh, hi there, and welcome to a very special picnic. I'm here with my friends Mary,
Meow.
Bo Peep,
Meow.
and Eve.
Meow.
We love pie.
And rhymes.
And kittens.
And mittens.
Can you guess what rhyme we're playing?
Meow.
That's right, the Three Little Kittens. I'm playing the mama cat. Come play with us. 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry.
Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost.
What lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie.
Meow, 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 meow.
3 little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry.
Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found.
What found your mittens, you darling kittens? Then you shall have some pie.
Meow, 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 meow.
3 little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie.
Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled.
What soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens? And they began to sigh.
Meow, 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 meow.
3 little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry.
Oh, mother dear, look here, our mittens we have washed.
your mittens, you're such good kittens. I smell a rat close by.
Meow, 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 meow.
And that was the story of the 3 little kittens. I hope you had fun playing with us.
Hey, Baba, why does the mama cat say she smelled a rat close by?
That's a good question.
I think it's so that the cat family can share the rest of their pie with the rat family.
And that's a great answer. I love sharing.
Me too.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.